know, what was it like? You know what I'm saying?
I don't know, but I heard that your homeboy, he did got fucked up.
David.
Yeah.
David told me he wasn't home.
Well, he must have a twin or something because he was up there messing around with Ashley.
Damn, Ashley?
Mm-hmm.
Ashley?
Yep. What the fuck? They went up to Patricia's room.
Yeah.
They both messed around.
Damn, what the fuck did Patricia say?
She said that he went all the way. I don't know.
I don't know. I haven't even talked to David since like, I guess it's the day before the party. He told me he wasn't going.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
But a lot of people were saying that there was a whole bunch of shit going on that day. That he even got fucked up with her, and they even went to the pool, and they just like were making out in the pool, skinny dipping and everything. And
Damn, what the fuck? Why didn't I fucking go? Damn it. I don't know about you, but I got a fat sweet.
shit like that up. Let me see if I got a lighter though. No, I ain't bring my lighter.
Damn, I don't know if I have a lighter. Hold on. Fuck. I don't have a lighter.
Did you hear that?
What the fuck was that?
Telephone?
Hey, you got a lighter? Hey! Hey, guy, you got a lighter? Hey! You got a lighter? What the hell? Are you alright? What's wrong with your face? Not you, him. What the? What the fuck? Get the fuck off her! Oh my god. What the hell?